Okay, then we have a little 14, 12, and 10. And then we have a, so these are triplets. So this is like a slower triplet. And then 14, 12 in the second. That's a faster triplet. And then 11 to 9 to 12. 11, 9 to 12 here, so. And then 12, 10, 9 to 7. So I've got to kind of listen to that one a lot. So. Then we have a quick 10 to 9, and then 10, 9, 7. And then we have a, so 15, 14, and then a trill. And then we'll have a 12 to 14, and then quick 12 to 14, back to 12, 15 to 12. Okay, so these fills are like. Okay, then we're on a C minor chord, B flat, okay, so the second time it doesn't have the extra hit. So once again, this new part is 3, 4. No extra hits at the end. We have a pause, ding, 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 ding. Okay, C minor to B flat again. Listen for the timing on that one. Kind of pauses and comes in on an upbeat, but still has to resume its normal thing. Then we have this new thing, 8, 7 on the G, 13, 11 on the B, 11, 10 on the E. That gets us into a C major chord there. So we've had a real shift in the feel, 6 to 8. Okay, when that C hits and we have this kind of a 2, 3 on the D string. A little delay there, a little trill, 2 and 3. And then we have this riff, kind of a recurring theme. 7 on the G, then 5 on the B, 7 and 3 on the E. Now you could do this an octave higher in the 19. We'd have 19, 17, 19 to 15. Okay, then we get into a riff that's like. Now that's like a piano part. So all we have to do is wait for that kind of the ending note and go kind of volume swells up on that C note, 10 on the D string. And he might have detuned to hit this one even lower. It starts even lower, so it's like. You'd have to have an E flat to finish that one. So we can do it up here. 10th fret of the D, 8. Quick slide, 10 to 8 on the A to the 6. Now this last one up here is going to go quicker and to the 20th fret. So that's 20, 18, and it starts even earlier than the other riffs did. Comes at you real quick. So 20, 18, 20 to 18 on the B string to the 16. Then we have a new fancy riff down here. Okay, so we have a little 1, 2, 3 on the G, 1, 3, 4 on the B. So it's. So I like to go hammer, hammer, and then pick the 4. And then the second part goes. 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. So it's. Okay, then we get into a. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That's 6 ones, and then a pull off, 4 to 1. So it's. Now the next part is going to go. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 1. So altogether we have. Okay, now we have another measure that's going to go. So 2 ones and a pull off. And then 4 1s. So 4-1-1-1, 4-1-1-1. So check out the tab on this. Definitely download the free tabs, but this is like. Okay, so 3, 4. Let me get back into the. Now we have to jump this up to the octave 8 up here. We got. So this one's tricky. It's like. So we have the same type of thing to start with. Okay, so. Now the next one is going to go kind of like the other one did, 2 notes and then a pull off. But it's going to jump to the second string, so 11, 8, 8, 8. Do that again and then 10, 8, 8, 8. So it's. Then we're back to. Then we're to the C minor chord. Now we're into a completely new melody here. So we have the C minor hits, we have bum, 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 and then we start on 11, 11, 12, 14, 16 to 14 on the B. So it's. That was 16 on the B, 17, 16, 17 to 14, 13, 11 on the G. So that was 13, 14, 13 on the G. Kind of slide into the 16 to 12 on the B there. We have 14, 16, 17, 16, either bend the 17. Go to the 16 on the G or maybe slide that one. So we're going to bend that 19, 19, 17, 16, back up to that 19, and we have that. So we have a big pause, we do it 3 times. Okay, then we're going to have a G to A. Okay, so G to A chords. We had a 10, 9, 10 on the second, 9 on the G, hammer to the 11, to the 9 on the D there. The next one is 12, 10 on the B, 11 to 9 on the G, 7, 9 back to 11. So it's like. So we have G to A, the rhythm behind that, and then we have B minor to B sus 2. So that's 2, 4, 4, 2, 2. I took the 3 out of the second string. So that has various fills behind it. It goes 4 times. And then we're going to have C minor, B flat, do that twice, and then we have a new thing we have. Okay, so we're going to have 2, 4, 5 on the A, 2, 4 in the D, so, and then 2, 4 in the G, 2, 3 on the B, so altogether it's. Here we have 14, first string, 12, second string, little 12, 10 to 11 going down, and then 11, 9, 9, little 9 there, so. And we're back to the. This time we go 9, 7, 6, 11 to 9, 12, and then 12, 10, 11, 14. So the new one is. Now this next one goes 2, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 6. So it's. Now we're going to go down on this 14, 12 to 13. So a lot of these have the same shape. 14, 12, 13. Same thing for like this is the D note. And this is like a D chord, so it's like a kind of a 9 chord. So we have 14 and then 12 to 13. 12 to 10 to 11, and then. So 11 always goes with 9 and 9, because that's like the minor there. And then we're back to majors, 9, 7, 8, 7, 5, 6. Now this last one goes 5, 4, 4. Major 7 chord here, 7, 6, 5, 4. So that whole last thing was. Then we have this riff. 7, 9, 7, 9, 7. Okay, then we have a new tricky part here we got. So that was 7 on the B to 4, 6, 5 to 7, 4 on the D, and then 4 on the B to 6, 7, and then we get into a little shape. 6, 4, 6, 4, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2. Back to the chord. Here we have 6, 7 on the D, 6, 7 on the G, 7 on the B. So this whole section again is like. We have that new part. Now we have a new thing. We got so 7 into 9 to 5 on the B string, 6, 7 on the G. Then we have a 10 to 9, kind of a hammer in, to 12, and then 9. Kind of some slides into that 9. 7, 9, 10, slide into the 14, 12, 10, trill, and the 9, 10. Then we have, here we have the octave of that other riff, 18, 19, 18, 19 to 19. We're going 19, 17 to 21, 19. Same walk-up riff, and then 21, 19, 17, 16. So we got. And we have 17 and 17. 14 on the first. 15 on the second to 16. 17. 15, 14. And again. And this is over B minor to A. So once again, this high part was. And that's over there. So those chords go a few times, and then you have the B minor to A, and then we have a new thing. E to G, E to G, B minor. This time we go, kind of tease that feel. And we have by the waterside. And here we can get into a 9-7-9 to 5. We get it back into a, and then it's kind of like the intro melody, like 8-6-4 to 9 on the G, then 8-6-11, and then 9-7-6, 9 on the second, 7-6-8. So this is. So that was 8-7 to 10, 7-6-8, 7-10 on the first string, 10-12, 15-14. We have that. And it ends on this last one. Okay, so let's look at that last melody one more time. We got. Into the Lens, yes, drama album. Check it out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.